Right here.
Okay, stay kind of like we're workout partners.
Come on, get it. Come on, Rich. You gotta get it. Come on, get pumped up. We don't care about injuries. We're freaks. Ah. I'll tell you when to stop. Come on. Pump it up. Come on.
How do you want me to do? I'm at 20. How many?
30. We don't care about injuries. We're freaks. Come on. Come on. Hater rep trolls, man. Troll the haters. Good. I'm gonna do 30 myself.
Yeah, fuck yeah, you'll have to make me do 30, goddammit.
Can't beat him yet, man.
Right on. Told you guys, he's stronger than he looks. Right. Where you at?
9, 30.
Yeah. You do high reps like that?
Yeah, I do high reps.
You do?
Supersets.
Most people don't.
Yeah.
Most people just stick to, 12, 10, 15.
I did a PJ Braun leg workout in 2012 where I did supersets. I passed out of hernia. I was in the hospital for 2 days.
That sounds productive. But good for you to fucking blast through it, right?
Yeah.
You ready for some more weight or what?
Yeah, ready. Train like freaks. We don't care about injuries. We're freaks.
Let's do it, goddammit.
Nothing but peanuts. Like Ronnie Coleman says.
All right. How many reps, goddammit?
Do 30 again.
30 again.
So you burn, baby. Burn, burn, burn.
Ah, yeah. Right?
Yeah, kill that, man. Ain't nothing but to do it. These are for all the haters right here. This is for Rich Piana and for all his haters. Hater reps.
Ah, come on, give me some motivation, damn it.
Come on. I'll tell you when to stop, bitch.
Yeah, that's what I'm talking about.
I'll tell you when to
But
stop.
I don't know about the bitch. You might get slapped again.
It's a joke. It's funny. It's just a joke. It's just a joke.
Just getting a little carried away here.
It's just a funny game.
All right, brother.
I'm gonna do 32.
Of course you are.
Yep.
I wouldn't expect you to think less. There it is. There it is. Big tries. Come on. Good. Come on. Yeah. Come on, Jace. Come on, Jace. Don't stop, man. Don't stop. Come on. Come on, Jace. Get it. Get it. Yeah. Right on, brother. Look at that, man. Right? Doesn't give up. Pushes all the way through.
Yep.
Force reps. Right on, brother. All right, you ready to move on?
Yep.
All right, let's do a little lying down side of the face extensions with dumbbell, kind of like skull crushers. What you think? Do you ever do those?
I've done it before.
Oh, okay, cool. Awesome, brother. Let's do it. Let's do it. We'll get there. The only problem is dumbbell is so thick and, we're not going to get full range. I think we'll make it work.
Yeah, we'll make it work.
So I like to hang my head off the bench so I can get more range.
Yeah, you'll get more.
Turn your head to the side, look at the arm you're using, right?
Yep.
Come down and bam, bam, bam.
Got some sick arms, Rich. What are those, 23s?
A little bit bigger. Yep. Yeah, I haven't done these in a while because they really thrash your elbows. And I was starting to go a little too heavy.
Doesn't it get tendonitis in your elbows?
Yep.
Wait, no good. Two more. 11. All right, my turn. Ooh, that was a good pump.
Felt good. Elbows are okay, actually. They survived 30 pounds. Yep, touch that cheek. No, keep it on the side of the head. There you go, and up. Perfect. Perfect.
One more. Come on.
Good. Easy. How's your elbow feel? It's okay?
Yeah.
All right. Look towards me. There you go, right there. There you go. There you go, there you go. Good, Jace. Come on, man. You're doing the same weight, just as strong. Up. Good.
One more.
Come on, up. There it is. Good, man.
Good.
How's that feel?
Nice pump.
Yeah.
Nice contraction.
Good, huh?
Yep.
Good.
Make sure it's under 15 minutes because I got a strike on my account.
Okay.
And then do another one and report. It's under 15, right? Mm-hmm. It's good.
Why'd you get a strike in your account?
Some fucker decided to do that. They got angry and they decided to flag it.
Well, I think it takes more than one, doesn't it?
Well, I got one on my account.
Oh, I mean, but to get something, I think it takes a lot of people. I don't know.
Yeah, a lot. It's over in August anyway.
Yep. Left arm's a little tender. Left elbow.
I've been lifting heavy for years. It comes with the territory.
Right.
Injuries happen.
All right, side of the head. Good. Strong, Jason. You're strong. For sure. Come on.
One more.
Oh, there you go. Look good, man. Look good.
Two more.
Perfect. You feel those? You getting a pump?
Got a pump. Got a pump.
You ever do concentration curls?
Yep.
My favorite. Favorite exercise.
My favorite.
Remember how Arnold does them?
Yeah.
He stands up, bends over.
Yep.
That's all I do. How do you do them?
I like doing like that too.
Okay, awesome.
Yep.
Let's do it, goddammit.
If I fell out, you just have to go through it. Fucking get to work with it.
Remember, keep it under 15.
Yeah, we will.
Fucking diet shit is bullshit. Huh? Yeah.
Gotta shake him out, gotta shake him out. Right?
Yep.
Shake him out.
All day.
All right.
All day. Easy.
Come on, Jace. There you go. Looking good. Squeeze that bicep. Flex that shit. Yeah.
Let's go. Let's get it. Get it, bro.
Right on.
Yep.
Blood goes right from the try to the bi, right? Immediately. Boom.
And a pump.
Right on.
Come on, down up. Down up. Down up.
All right. Hammer curls.
Good. That's what you can.
Yep.
Let's do it. Let's do it.
Let me see. What you think, Jace? 40s?
40 sounds perfect.
40s. Gonna hit the 40s.
Yep.
Down up.
Probably come on this side.
Yeah.
You got the mirror on the side.
Yep.
Nope. Nope. Ah. I'm gonna do alternate, one arm at a time. What do you think?
That sounds good. Perfect.
Shit, with 65, you're strong.
It's under 15, right? I hope I can get it before it's too late.
You.
Kill that.
Of course, I trained back with Big J, goddammit, this morning. Fucking killed me. Good.
You don't realize how freaking strong I really am.
Right?
They underestimate me.
You're thick too. You got a lot of muscle.
A lot.
You know? That's most important.
Tremendous amount of muscle.
How long have you been training?
On and off for 10 years.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
How old are you?
31 since 20.
Oh, okay. That's a good age.
Yeah. That's when I started about
How much did you weigh when you started?
40.
How much you weigh now?
220.
Wow, 80 pounds.
Yeah.
Right. That's awesome. So, I'm just gonna come out with it. Have you ever done a cycle?
Yep.
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 Right on. Look at that. Oh man is honest. God damn it.
Yeah,
Look
right
at that.
now.
He don't fuck around. He just says it straight up. He's done a cycle before.
Right now, I'm running a little bit of stuff right now.
Oh yeah, what you running?
Test and trend.
Test and trend?
Yeah.
Acetate or enantate?
Both.
Oh.
I'm a freak, man.
Right on.
Yeah.
How's it feel?
I feel great, man. I feel young. I feel youthful. I don't even look my age. I'm 31. I feel like I'm 20.
Yeah. It's
It
awesome.
makes you look young too.
Yeah.
Here.
Makes you
See
look
that?
young.
You ever taking growth?
Right there.
A little bit.
How much is a little bit?
6 IUs.
6 IUs, a little bit?
To me, it's a little bit. I'm a freak, man.
God damn.
I'm a freak.
Hey man, I gotta fucking hand it to you, man. Straight up honest.
I'm not a liar.
Not even fucking thinking about it, just boom.
Honest.
I got respect for that, man. I got respect.
Yep.
That's awesome. Should we do another one?
Yep, we do another one.
Let's do it. God damn it.
It's probably the last one, then you're about 15.
Okay.
Okay.
You don't have to really push this. Slide up. Right here. That's it, right there. That's it. Yep, just rotate that shoulder forward. That's it. There you go. There you go. Bring it up and back. Just like that. Boom. I even let the dumbbells hang down a little bit so I can concentrate on the pull from here. Oh yeah. There we go. Right there. That's it. Fold it. When you twist up, bring the rear delts and practice it to it. I've never done it before, but it's a whole different animal. Definitely feel it. Still 12 reps.
Yeah.
Should I get in there? Don't I have time to get in there?
Getting that pump. Getting that pump. What's up, man? Right on. That's why you can't post any of this because it's got to put the video up. Because we're going to do YouTube video. Post it.
Come up, see, right here, so you get that.
15,
Up
right?
and engage, that's what you want.
Yeah, that's good, man. That's good, brother.
Good solid video. You gotta stop it, right?
So, I think we're done.
Say your goodbyes.
Are we done?
Goodbye.
Was that a good workout?
Great workout.
We feel good?
We feel good.
Okay, so you drove it to Miami. You slapped the shit out of me.
That was Orlando.
No, right now. No, you slapped the shit out of me.
Yeah.
So I'm saying you came here, you slapped the shit out of me,
Yeah.
showed me how to train arms.
Yeah.
Good fucking day.
Good fucking day. Great workout. My friends.
Right on,
You were
brother.
great.
So we are out.
We are out. Peace out.
God damn it, hit a crab, hit a crab.